Lovely 3-bedroom single-family home with 2 full bathrooms and 1/2 bathroom on first floor. Washer and dryer included. 1 car-attached garage. The family room has access to fenced backyard and has a fireplace. This home has a large eat-in kitchen and ceramic floors throughout the first floor. The stairs, upstairs hallway and all the bedrooms have carpet. The living and dining room have vaulted ceilings. The master bedroom has 2 large closets, vaulted ceilings and a large picture window. The master bathroom has a full tub in it. Enjoy living in this cozy single-family home.
Text E708772510044 for current information.